Within the Battleborn mobile app, installer mode is designed for dealers, installers, and OEMs who need to pre-configure Battleborn power systems before delivering them to end users. This mode allows an installer to fully set up a system and then transfer it to the customer's account through a simple QR code handoff. To enter installer mode, your Battleborn account must be configured with an installer profile. To enable this feature, contact your Battleborn sales representative for information on how to register your email as an installer account. Once your installer profile is activated, log in using your installer credentials. System setup inside installer mode follows the same creation process used in standard system setup. You can view our separate tutorial video or refer to the mobile app instruction manual for detailed guidance. After a system has been fully configured, navigate to the Systems tab. Select the system you want to share, then tap Print QR Code. This action generates a PDF containing a unique QR code linked directly to that system. The PDF preview may vary slightly depending on your device's operating system. You can print the PDF or share it electronically through email or text. We recommend printing the sheet and including it in the customer's documentation at delivery. When the customer receives their completed installation, they simply open the Battleborn mobile app, select Scan a System, and scan the provided QR code. The system will automatically load into their app with no manual configuration required. Installer mode simplifies system handoff and ensures customers can access their power system immediately. For more information, visit battleborn.com.